You probably have seen several of our build projects over the years. These projects have been a labor of love for us. However, now and then, something really cool comes along that is truly special, and our latest build, a CFMOTO ZFORCE 1000, is just that. This build for us is unique, as it's going to be reproduced by CFMOTO Canada and will be sold at participating CFMOTO dealerships in 2019 as the ZFORCE 1000 Special Edition. We wanted to add ground clearance without adding a lift kit to the machine. To get this, we went to Super ATV for a set of their high clearance A-arms. These A-arms give us 1.5 inches of ground clearance in an A-arm that is 25% thicker tubing than the original stock. With the upgraded A-arms, we knew we needed premium shocks. And where better to go than Elka suspension? We added Stage 5 UTV shocks on all four corners. These shocks are legendary for their superb action with high and low speed compression, rebound, and preload adjustment. We knew we were adding in a stereo system. So we started with a completely sealed and waterproof 360 watt amplifier from the experts at SSV Works. This amp is plug and play and designed for UTVs, making it the logical choice. We also added in their Bluetooth panel mount media controller. This way we weren't relying on the radio for tunes, but we can link our phones and use downloaded music. For the rear speakers, we added SSV Works 120 watt, 6.5 inch pod speakers, which we mounted on the rear of the cage. For the front, we adapted their 6.5 120 watt front speakers, which were originally designed for the Polaris RZR. From there, we decided that our custom-built ZFORCE needed to communicate better. So we tapped the pros at Rugged Radios for some assistance. Their 25 watt weatherproof dual band radio is a great way to communicate with other machines in your group. We also wanted to be able to communicate inside the ZFORCE with the person in the passenger seat. So while we were at it, we had Rugged Radios set us up with a two-place intercom system with helmet kits. There were a lot of options for lighting, but we went to where we knew we'd find just the right stuff. Rigid Industries. We added a 30-inch Radiance Plus LED bar that is 30% brighter than the previous model. We also added the Radiance spotlights from Rigid and topped it off with the Rock Light Kit for letting you see the immediate terrain, which is perfect for rock crawling after dark. To add to the safety factor, we went back to Super ATV for a set of 5-foot LED whips. These whip lights are more than just pretty lights. They keep you visible when riding at night. This one-of-a-kind light whip connects to your phone via Bluetooth and allows you to set any of the 7 colors and adjust brightness. PRP set us up with their new XC suspension seats. These are custom-made seats that PRP makes specifically to order. It should be noted that they are originally designed for the Polaris RZR, but we were able to adapt them for our ZFORCE. While we were at it, we decided to bump up the protective factor from the seat belts. We went with their color match 4-3 system, which mates a 4-point harness with a 3-inch wide belt for optimal comfort and security. We chose to upgrade the stock wheels to M31 Lock 2 wheels from MSA Wheels. These are heavy-duty aluminum wheels that are as sturdy as they are beautiful. For tires, we went with something that can handle extreme terrain, the Motivator tire from EFX Tires. EFX Tires makes some of the most rugged and durable tires on the market today. Our friends at Susi International did all the custom powder coating work for us. The powder coating finish was of the highest quality, and its orange coloration brought the unit to life. Quebec America created a special custom full body wrap for a CFMOTO ZFORCE that really popped with a custom orange powder coating. Quebec America professionally installed the wrap for us and it looked amazing. We give you the 2019 CFMOTO ZFORCE 1000 SE as we envisioned it. We are unbelievably proud of this build and how well it came together. We would like to thank each company involved for their help with making it all blend into one seriously awesome machine. And special thanks to CFMOTO Canada for having the faith in us to make it happen. For more great content, don't forget to follow us on our social feeds and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till next time.